Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Sleep is more important than food. Without sleep, you become the worst version of yourself. The things you want are on the other side of facing your fears. A good life is never a comfortable life. Live life according to your rules, not your parents, not society's, and not some random person's. If you want better results, find better friends. This doesn't mean you have to get rid of your current friends, but level up. You might not enjoy discipline, but you'll enjoy the results. Ending toxic relationships is like pruning a tree. It may hurt at first, but it's necessary for growth. Life is too short to be led by those who do not bring you joy and happiness. It is not enough to win a war. It is more important to organize the peace. No matter how many times I may stumble, I will rise each time a better man. Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and its life will not get any shorter. Reputation is for time, character is for eternity. Never express too much love, affection, or care to someone because it's human tendency to underestimate anything that's free of cost. When someone walks away from you, it's not the end of your story. It's the end of their part in your story. Better alone than in toxic company. Sometimes you have to distance yourself to see things clearly. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Man without a vision for his future always returns to his past. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. If you expect the world to be fair with you because you are fair, you're fooling yourself. Don't tell anyone what you think or what you know. Keep your secrets to yourself because a friend today could be an enemy tomorrow. Sometimes the only way to protect your soul is to walk away from those who damage it. Walk away from anything that diminishes your worth. Success demands sacrifice. There is no alternative. Don't sacrifice your peace trying to save a relationship that only causes you pain. Tomorrow belongs to the one who prepares for it today. We all must suffer pain, either the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Never allow someone to be your priority while allowing yourself to be their option. You can't change people, but you can change who you choose to be around. He will win who knows when to fight and when not to. It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows. Your worst enemy is hidden within you, and that enemy is yourself or a false ego. Value yourself enough to choose what you deserve over what you desire. Surround yourself with those who lift you higher, not bring you down. Every day is a new opportunity to grow and improve. The world is a dangerous place, not because of those who do evil, but because of those who look on and do nothing. Your life is too valuable to waste on people who don't appreciate you. True strength is knowing when to walk away from toxicity. The ones who say you can't are too afraid you will.